The Sumake cordless riveter allows for more freedom of movement since it eliminates the need for a compressor, hose, and power cable. This makes it easier and more intuitive for workers to use, both indoors and outdoors. With a cycle time of 1.2 seconds and 2.2 seconds respectively, these cordless riveters are the fastest in their class. The Sumake cordless riveters offer faster and easier installation, making your work more productive. The withdrawal piston automatically functions to facilitate the changing of nosepieces and maintenance of the jaw housing. Auto reverse function can save time and power energy while making sure the tool is immediately ready for use. With a pulling force of 11,000 newtons and 22,000 newtons respectively, these cordless riveters offer different levels of strength. The high-power brushless motor provides a longer tool life and generates less heat, enabling extended use. Sumake. Make jobs better than ever.